first thing we do before we start cooking or making a salad is washing our hands. Yeah, we have to, of course. All right, now I want you to go ahead and take the ingredients that you need for your healthy salad. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. You start. All right. Nice mixture of ingredients. Okay, good job, girls. So can you tell me what did you include in your salad?
We have different vegetables. So we put in the base, we put pasta
with vegetables.
Yes.
I see potatoes and carrots. And tuna.
We include carrots, cucumbers, and for the decoration we use kiwi, nuts, and raisins, apples, cherry tomatoes, and we used a lot of colors and we make it.
Thank you so much for this beautiful salad. What do you have in your salad?
I have pasta, some vegetables, and
Eggs. I see eggs as well, and tuna.
And
It looks yummy, yeah? Okay. Good.